Everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change the music in an Instagram post quickly and easily. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and tap the create button to start a new post or continue editing the post you're working on. Add your photos or videos. If you have not published the post yet, tap the music option and select the current song attached to your post. Next, choose remove music or change music. You can now browse Instagram's music library or use the search bar to find song you want to use instead. Once you found your preferred track, select the part of the song you want to include in your post and confirm your selection. After that, continue editing your post and publish it as normal. If the post has already been published, keep in mind that Instagram may not allow changing the music on certain type of posts after they go live. In that case, you may need to delete the post and upload it again with the new music selected during the creation process. And that's it. That's how you can change music in an Instagram post. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.